Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying where notes are syncing from and which accounts are active. Open settings on each device and review iCloud, Google account, and Microsoft account sections. Look for app sync toggles and backup settings that include notes. Sign out of any shared account you do not control and disable the sync toggles on every device. Also turn off Bluetooth, AirDrop, and nearby sharing to prevent direct transfers. Finally, confirm each device no longer shows the same note list in the Notes or Notes-like app. Next, remove any explicit sharing or shared notebooks that allow access across devices. In apps that support sharing, revoke user access and delete shared notebooks or folders. Export important notes as files and save them locally on the device before you remove cloud syncing. After saving local copies, unlink or remove the device from the cloud account and disable automatic backups. Change the account password and enable two-factor authentication to ensure devices cannot automatically reconnect and resync your notes without permission. Finally, follow app-specific steps to enforce local-only storage for notes on each platform. For Apple Notes, disable iCloud Sync and move notes to on my iPhone or on my Mac local folders. For Google Keep and OneNote, disable account sync and export collections as TXT or PDF files for local storage. Consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app if caches continue to show cloud content. As a last resort, remove the device from the account or perform a factory reset to stop persistent sync and ensure notes remain local.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.